ain't getting me today. Fuck. This is where I store my everything. Got a bunch of removed from an old villa. 1960s, 1950s. I have no idea. I'm not sure if they were the floorboards or the exterior walls. So we're going to be turning that into that. I've had this for 2 years. I can't believe I'm finally using it. I've got to go to my uncle's to use the table saw. I don't have one. I'll see you there. Now this is where I do everything I can't do at home. Right, we're going to be building a desk for the music studio. This is Remu. It's about 110 by 20, so I'm going to be ripping it down to about 45 millimeters. I'll get 2 strips out of each one. I've got paint on one side of every board, so I've got my planer. I don't have a thicknesser. We really just need to get ripping into this. First of all, we want to set the blade down. Only got 20mm board, so I'll just set it a couple of millimeters higher. And what I need to rip, you want it cutting closest to the top of the arc of the blade as possible. Right, we're all done. Stage 1 complete. I just got to plane off all the paint. All the paint's been planed off the side that had it. Just going to give a rough sand with some 80 grit on each side, just really quickly. Just going to smash this glue on. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. It's pretty stressful. I've never done this. Hoping we just doing an alright job. Mayonnaise, mayonnaise. I want to make sure that this whole desk is on the same plane, or else it could turn out twisted. So I'm just packing this far end here. Yep. Okay. We got these ready to length beforehand because you need all the time you can get. Time is of the essence. It's important that you have clamps on the top as well, because if you just go underneath, what happens is the pressure goes upwards. So if you have them on top as well and it stays flat, I just feel like there should be more glue oozing out. Did I use enough? Have I got enough clamps on it? Those are all the things that are going through my head. We'll come back in a couple of days and go from there. The sun is beautiful out today. Pretty much this is the slab after I've taken the clamps off. As you can see, there's a bit of rocking. My boards aren't the same thickness, sadly. What this was because I didn't have a thicknesser and I was just planing. Some of the boards were bowed, so when I was planing them, it didn't take off as much in the middle because the start and the end of the plane defined how deep the cut goes. As you can see at the front here, I've got a bit of lift. It just means I have to take more off the bottom. I've kept my cuts long, so I'll cut this to size once everything's finished on top. I don't mind a little bit of bow on the front. It's where I'm sitting. It's just not going to make an issue for me, and I'd rather keep it that way than cut 5mm into this. I'm just going to plane away, take some layers off. I'll just use my terrible 900 level that's not even level just to see what it's doing. So let's run it. Fast forward a couple of days. Things got busy with the kids and they wanted to do some artwork. I got it.
I got it.
Yeah. We'll start with a brown and a blue.
Okay.
Looks like a poo.
Yeah.
Paint away.
Yeah, then we can make rainbows. There's a little paint. Yeah. What is melting? Roller.
Guys, it looks amazing. The desk has been completely cut to size, so it's ready to go. Right, we need to drill 2 holes. I have these 2 cable entry, circular, cylindrical things, whatever you want to call them. I've got my computer on a raised laptop stand at the back here. Underneath that, we're going to be diverting cables down under the desk, run some cable management. Also, I need one here because on the left side, I'm going to have my recording interface XLR cables, which I want to feed down. So that's 1080. We want a 540 to the center. We got 150 in. On the other side, I just don't want it to be too close to the edge. So we'll go 85 to the center. Now 290. Hey, we're through. We took a trip to Bunnings. We picked out some Danish oil. We want to keep the natural color in here. It comes out with a satin look. Don't use your good chisels like this. Here we go. Definitely maintains the natural look. That's quite nice. Wow, look at those dark reds in the middle. We'll let it dry, give it another coat. Oof. Sexy. Right, today we're going to be chasing out the front of the desk for the LED strip that I'm going to be putting in. These aluminium casings come at lengths of 1/2 meter. The strip light is 1 meter, so I need exactly 2 of those. The desk is 1080 wide, so it's going to be 40 mil on each end that will still remain, which will look nice rather than it running through edge to edge. It's also got caps for both ends. I'm going to be using skill saw and chisels just to kind of get that out and then drilling a hole through for the wiring. Honestly, this guy loves holding the tape any chance he gets. It's awesome. Would make a great apprentice one day. You can see she fits in there nice and snug. There's plenty of size on the flange there to cover the cut. I have drilled a couple of holes through. That's going to slide through the hole like so, and then that's going to come down the wall, connect to the controls. It's all going to be hidden away nicely. This is the bottom of the desk. When I do flip this desk over, the controller for the LED strip is going to be just under the desk on the right against the wall. We're going to remove everything and we're going to put Danish oil on the bottom of the desk, just do 1 coat, and then we're going to refit everything. We're going to glue the casing, cover it all up. It's basically going to be install time after that. There's only one thing really left for me to do now. Let's take this thing inside. Just don't hit any walls. Fraser, I need a cameraman. Can you film me? This is your trial. Follow me and just make sure you don't trip over. We all going, are we? Oh. Thank you, mate. The desk is coming through. Let me get this clamp ready. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. If you made it this far, congratulations. In the next video, I'll be showing you the complete transformation from start to finish, from closet to music studio, and I'm so damn excited for it.